Hello everyone, today's video is Fluttershy's Magic Misfire. Enjoy!
Greetings every pony, I am Princess Cadance. I am happy to announce that tomorrow will be the World Pony Magic Contest.
Ooh! Ah!
3 ponies will compete in this year's contest. When I call your name, please step forward. First is Pinkie Pie.
I'm Pinkie Pie.
Next is Rarity.
I'm Rarity.
Finally, we have Fluttershy.
Me? Oh no, what am I going to do? Twilight Sparkle, can you help me with the magic contest? Sure, I'm your best friend. What do you think I should do for the magic contest? Well, what are you good at? I'm good at making friends with animals. That's right. So your magic trick will be to make all of your animal friends appear on stage. Oh, that's a great idea. To make the animals appear, just say ta-ti-ta, la-di-da, have no fear, animals appear right here. That sounds hard. I'm not sure I can do it. Just remember, believe in yourself. Okay, let me try. Ta-ti-ta, blah blah blah. Animals are here. That's not an animal. Let's try again. Okay, here I go. Ta-ti-ta, la-di-da, have no time for animals here. Oh, I give up. I'll never be ready by tomorrow. Don't worry, I know you're going to win. I hope so.
Welcome to the World Pony Contest, every pony. Today's winner will get $100.
Ooh! Ah!
First, Pinkie Pie will show her magic trick.
Here goes. Sugar Daddy, Sugar Mommy. Nazzle dazzle, let's get happy. Hooray! Hooray!
Very good, Pinkie Pie. Next up is Rarity.
This is going to be great. Bright at night, beauty is light. Show me gems, show what's right. Hooray! Hooray!
Very, very good, Rarity. Our last pony is Fluttershy.
You can do it, Fluttershy. Just remember, believe in yourself. Ta-ti-ta, la-di-da, have no fear, animals appear right here. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Wow, we all know who the winner is. It's Fluttershy. You win $100.
Way to go, Fluttershy. This is the happiest day of my life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.